Hey everyone, welcome aboard. Just a quick video to show a new car seat installation in our Tesla Model X 7-seater. We just upgraded my child's car seat to a Diano Monterey 2 XT. So it is a booster seat that takes advantage of the vehicle's latch system, but it uses the Model X's seatbelt. And while we're at it, we just wanted to see how the second row could accommodate more than one car seat. So we also have a Diano backless booster in the center, and then we have the old car seat that we're replacing, which is more of a toddler style Recaro car seat. Don't need this many car seats on a daily basis, but just wanted to see how the fitment works, and it seems like you could fit 3 car seats across on the second row without much of a problem. All right, moving on to the back, the third row of the Tesla Model X, we have the same car seats that we showed in the second row, but now in the third row. So we have the Diano Monterey 2 XT and the backless booster. It's also a Diano. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, that both of these seats fit fine width-wise. The only downside is the fact that the third row of the Tesla Model X does not have a latch system, so you are going to have to make do with the seat belts, and it's probably only good for older kids that can have enough weight to be in a booster without the latch system. So yeah, I mean, theoretically, if you have these two seats in the back in the third row, and then have the same seats in the second row, you could have 5 car seats in this vehicle. I wouldn't say without a problem, but you know, you could do it in a pinch, and you'd be able to get from point A to point B without a problem. All right, so I just folded up the second row seats. They're at probably the more forward position, and that allows for a pretty decent amount of legroom here in the back. It's more than enough for most kids, I would think. And let's see what happens when we actually scoot the seat back. All right, so now the second row is in the furthest back position, and there's still a decent amount of legroom for a child. Pretty impressive. All right, so there you have it. So just to recap, you can basically fit 5 car seats in the back of a Tesla Model X Refresh 7-seater. Diano's car seats are of a slimmer design without sacrificing the strength and safety. That's just part of how they design their car seat. Obviously take that into consideration if you aren't looking at a Diano car seat. The fitment might be different, but Diano seems to be a pretty popular brand with a lot of parents these days, and they're not unreasonably expensive, especially the boosters. So I hope you found this information useful for your own family when you're trying to make a decision as to whether the Model X works for your family or whether you can actually fit car seats in the back of a Model X. If you like this information, please think about subscribing and liking the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.